Exercise 1921 just goes one step further than what we did in 1915. So we're still looking at break even, but what we're doing is we're looking at multiple products. Because a lot of times, we're selling more than just one thing, and based on the percentage mix, we want to know, hey, what's break even in total for all of our products. So in this one, we have Dragon Sports. They make two products, baseball bats and baseball gloves. It tells us that the fixed costs are $620,000, and that the sales mix is 40% bats, 60% gloves. So then it gives us the information, product information. So we've got what they sell for each, and also what the variable cost is for each. So it wants us to compute a break even for the overall product, call it the enterprise product. So to do that, we calculate the enterprise selling price. That's just going to be the percentage of bats times its selling price. And then the percentage of gloves times its selling price. So essentially it's an average selling price is what we're getting. So we do the same thing for variable cost. So we've got our percent of bats times its variable cost, and then the percent of gloves times its variable cost. So that gives us our average variable cost of $59. So revenue minus variable cost is going to give us our contribution margin per unit. So we have a $40 contribution margin. It tells us that our fixed cost are $620,000. So our break even is going to be our 620 divided by our 40. So that means we have to sell 15,500 units in order to break even. And that's of the average product. So now we want to know, hey, how much of that is really bats and how much of it is really gloves? So that's part B. So we know our percentages, they're 40-60. And we know our total units sold. So we know 40% bats and 60% are gloves. So we're going to sell 62,000 bats, or need to sell 62,000 bats and 6,200 bats and 9,300 gloves in order to break even.